Isn't that real nice? I was out right to a galaxy. But anyways, welcome to today's video. Actually, let me get the galaxy in the background. Yeah, that's real nice. I love that. Okay, so welcome to today's video. Itchy my balls. In parentheses on the. Okay, in today's video, we're doing the Monkey Academy. I have no idea what it has in store for me, but big butt. We're gonna have fun. It's gonna be so fun. I'm actually gonna giggle and wiggle my toes while I'm doing it. So yeah, let's get into it. Actually, let me show y'all my my place, okay? So, this, actually, okay, here. This is where you walk in. This is a little hallway, you know, front door right there. You gotta land in a spaceship to get here, though. And then you teleport up here when you're about literally a step right there. You teleport right here, okay? This is just, you know, the main area. This is a big old area where I play a lot of my VR, my gorilla tags. You know, big space. Because, yeah. Oh, alright. Well, this is a little shelf. I'm gonna put books here. Eventually. A little chill area, a little living area, you know. You got your wine, champagne, you know. All that. And over here, you got the TV, you know. You got chess, you got a statue, another statue, even more wine. We're actually alcoholic. We just have alcohol just laying everywhere, if you didn't notice. Dishes. This actually has been clogged for 3 months now. We can't get the water out because we just can't. We don't know how to because we're stupid little monkeys. And yeah, this is my little kitchen, you know. And we come out to here. It has a nice little view, you know. Don't fall, because you'll end up dissipating into a never-ending free fall. I had a friend go down there with his phone. He calls me ever so often, tells me what's up. He's still falling. There's no end to that. So yeah. Alright, let me stop bullshitting. Let me get to the main point of the video. Let's go to the Monkey Academy. The Monkey Academy. There we go. Loading 12%. Alright. Loading child objects. What? The fuck? What's it? What child objects? What child objects? What the fuck was that? I can't beat this easy course. Did they do that in Blender? What are these? Welcome, fellow monkey. Alright, here. Alright, well, welcome, fellow monkey. You may travel through my portals to get to the levels you have been. Oh, I can't. It's actually just. Okay. I can't grab that. And if I had, yeah, if I wasn't like this, I could so easily go up that, but I can't, bruh. Fuck. Oh, whoa. Oh, medium. Alright, branching 101. Wait, what? Branching is after is effectively just regular jumping. However, to branch properly, you have to have good reaction time and intuition. Ahead, there is a highlighted path showing you one way you can go, but you are highly encouraged to find your own way through this course. Alright, real close. Alright. Let's that was a branching 101. Is there a walls 101? Wait, I gotta see if there is. Oh wait, can I just hold on? Oh, this just makes so many things more easy. Yo, this is just actually just I'm cheating. Oh fuck. Alright, this is a hard course. Oh, this is like actually dead ass a good ass course. Like, I feel like I could learn, like if I was actually just starting off, I could for real learn from this. Elevator climbing, pinch climb. I need elevator, so I can't pinch. Elevator climbing, pretty simple. Put out one of your arms through the wall and move it in a circular motion. Similar to pinch climbing, your upper arms should be mostly stationary while your forearm does the work. Try it out. Yep. No, let's go pinch climbing. Banana. There's a banana. There's so many ways to cheat this. There's so many ways to cheat this. It's well made in the sense that they're like, you know, having the resources up here to teach you. But if you really wanted to, you could easily just beat this. I didn't even read that, but I don't care. Alright, Ice 101. Welcome to Ice 101. For starters, we're going to learn direct control. To aim where you go on ice, make your hand like this till it tilt. Oh, I thought I said tilt. Alright. Tilt it in the direction you want to go. Do it slowly, otherwise you'll lose control. You drifting in that bit. Oh, god damn it. Why I gotta do my left? No, it was my left. It's my left. Alright, now let's go to advanced ice. This course is all about slip slapping and maintaining speed. Slip slapping is simply hitting ice below and next. I can't really do this. Oh, I can. There's a gang. Fuck. God damn, I'm gonna retry. We're gonna go again. Like no speed. Rolling. Oh fuck. I can gain some speed right here. No, right here. No, fuck. Oh. Damn. What is so far? Yeah, I have no clue what the hell this is. Oh, this is like an out and in type thing. So it's just to get out, because it's all like... What? What? Okay, let's get on here. Yeah. Whee. Alright, let's go. Let's go to the other levels. Let's go have a snow. And then I think that's what's starting to get hard. But it's just the walls. What the fuck? Ah, damn. I can't cheat no more. Alright. Expert. Let's see if I'm an expert gorilla. Oh, that you can't do that. My gorilla tag expertise be like that. Oh my god, bananas! Bananas! I got up here and I've been eating bananas non-stop. Now I'm fat. Well, at least getting down will be easy. Yeah, man. You did great. I love that he's a fucking trampoline. Oh my god. Is that like a world up there? Oh my god. You eat so many bananas. And I love you. Oh, oh my god, damn. You are big. You might see me over here. Say hi. Oh, that's you? Hey. Alright, Roxx Academy was great. I'm gonna go look for secrets. Alright, if you guys liked today's video, like, subscribe, hit the post notification button so you can get notified whenever I'm being posting. Comment your favorite part of the video, what you thought was like the funniest, most cool, awesome, party, Gangnam Style, I don't know. But yeah, subscribe, yeah, add me on Discord, I guess. This is my Discord editor. Put a thing in my Discord right here. Yeah, love you guys, have a great night, and goodbye. Look, the music is great. Alright.